guys, and welcome to Different Russia channel. I hope that you are fine. The winter holidays were great for you. I'm very happy that you have come to my channel. And this first episode of 2019 will be about construction. Maybe sometime later I will show you some New Year Christmas decorations of Moscow. I'm not sure about this, but well, I will try. Also, guys, I have a lot of videos that I filmed last year in autumn and in winter 2018. So from time to time I will post old episodes that I filmed a few months ago. So, and this first episode is about the construction of houses. So not about the construction, but about the community, the new community. From time to time, you know, I show you different communities. That is a closed, gated community. I think about 15 houses here. And all of them are two-storied or three-storied houses. So one-storied buildings are not popular here because the land is expensive, and if you build a big house, one-storied house on the piece of land, it will be more expensive than to build a two- or three-storied building of the same size, but on a smaller piece of land. So that is why here two- and three-storied buildings are more popular than one-storied buildings. Usually all the houses go with a small piece of land, about 8 or 6 or 10. Here it is called sotka. So the average size of land is about 10 sotkas. I don't know if it's possible to say this. So one sotka is 10 by 10 meters. So the piece of land is about 1,000 square meters. A rather big piece of land. If to compare with my dacha, I have 600 square meters. So here it is usually about two times bigger. But as for this particular community, they have almost no land. I don't know why, as they build such big houses and almost no land around them. Every owner of the house has about 2 sotkas or 200 square meters. I think that is, well, nothing if to compare with the size of the house. So that is like an apartment because, well, you are surrounded with a lot of neighbors around you. So big houses with no land at all. So I think it is not great. Also, guys, I should say that sometimes you may buy land and then build any house you like. But as for this particular community, they sell already built houses, but without inside construction. So you must do the renovation inside the house. So as you may see, only stone walls inside.
интереснее, побольше, да, площадь?
So the price of the house with a small piece of land is about 7 million rubles. That is about 100,000 American dollars. So if to buy a ready house where you can live almost the next day, so the price will be about 150,000 American dollars. That is pretty expensive for Russians. That is why not many people can afford to live in such big houses. So the average size of a house is from 150 square meters up to 200 square meters. That is not big, not small, that is just, well, a popular size of such two-storied houses here. Of course, rich people build bigger houses and some people build smaller houses, but, well, 150 square meters, that is just the average size that many people like to have. Also, guys, very often I get questions from you: how can foreigners buy houses in Russia or land in Russia? So, guys, I don't know, honestly speaking, and I have no time to go deep into this question. So I'm very sorry I can't help you in this question. And also, guys, let me know if you like such videos about construction, about different communities. I'm very sorry, guys, my Sony action cam died. The battery, I mean, died because it is very cold outside, so the battery died very quickly and I had to film on my old Sony camera. That is why the picture is a little bit shaky. But I hope that the next episode will be much better because I will take a few batteries with me.
It's the light coming through the crack. So when life shows an open door, come on, a chance at the glorious goal. Come on, when life shows an open road, you know you should ride. Forget what you've been told and ride this open road. This open road. This open road. Boom, boom, tap, knock on your door. It's sounding further away. Don't lose sight of those times before. This is now today. When life shows an open door, a chance at the purest gold. When life is an open road, you know you should ride. Forget what you've been told and ride this open road.
So, guys, thank you for stopping by. I hope that you enjoyed this episode. And I very hope that we shall meet with you very soon on Different Russia channel. Thank you once again for watching. Goodbye. See you soon. Пока.